It's summer, it's June, and we are excited to share with you our June essential oil recipe box.
Let's get to it.
In this month's box, you get 6 toxin-free recipes designed by your aromatherapist and labels. You also get calendula flowers, also known as marigolds. You're going to make a solar infusion with these. And 100% pure aloe vera gel. The oils in this month's box are lavender, our new Bulgarian variation, which has a slightly fruitier smell than our lavender 4042. Cardamom, which is really great to help with digestion and help stimulate your mind. Timber essential oil blend, which is our new kind of masculine type blend that's great for personal care products. It has a woody vanilla aroma that's really great for your skin. We also get our Bumps and Boo Boos essential oil blend, which helps heal skin and prevent infection with minor bruises, cuts, and bumps.
So in the big bonus box comes everything that you need to make all of the recipes included in the recipe box, which comes every month. So one of the ingredients that we have in the big bonus box is our hard coconut oil. We have 100% pure beeswax, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, and then we have 6 of these 10 milliliter roll-on bottles.
Each month we send out a roll-on recipe, so you'll want to use one of those for each box.
And then 6 of these 5 milliliter amber glass bottles, which will be for the master blends that you'll make for each month.
So, Libby, what is your favorite recipe in this month's box?
My favorite recipe from this month's box is probably the skin healing gel, just because my skin is super prone to get sunburned. So that's going to be a really helpful recipe for me this summer.
My favorite recipe in this month's box is our smooth and sleek shave butter. It uses our new timber blend, and I love the way that smells.
Me too.
And it's a shaving butter, but my husband doesn't really shave. Instead, he can use it as a beard butter or beard oil to help prevent acne, and it just smells so good. So to learn more about our recipe box, head to simplyearth.com/box. You are gonna love it.
Make sure to hit subscribe once you've learned all about it. That way you can take advantage of this awesome deal. All of this for only $39.
Subscribers also get access to our Essential Oil Hero course, where you'll learn how to use essential oils safely and be able to come up with your own essential oil recipes as well. You even get access to our subscriber Facebook group, where you can ask questions and learn from other subscribers too.
Another great addition to being part of our Simply Earth team is that you get to help fight human trafficking, because 13% of our profits goes towards organizations that help to fight human trafficking.
You can learn about the cause of the month on our blog and on the back of our recipe cards. Thanks for watching.
See you later.
It's time to get toxin-free.
Yeah.